corporate governance manager at Rolls-Royce. I've been there for just over 3 years now. I joined as a corporate governance assistant, so I was doing predominantly board and committee support, then moved on to subsidiary company compliance stuff, and now kind of doing mostly PLC support work, so annual report, AGM, and inside information and share dealing compliance, so MAR. I was definitely told that it was very varied, no day's the same. I mean, obviously you have the annual cycles, quarterly cycles, but there are days where you come in and it's like curveball after curveball. So I think that's a really interesting part of the job. The benefits, I would say, it's that one-stop shop, I think, both for the governance team using it on the back end, but also the end user. You know, it's like less passive. It's about them taking a bit of accountability and responsibility, what they need to do. So I think the benefits for us will definitely be the customization that we've been able to do with Insidertrack. So we kind of rebranded or kind of did a review of our inside information and share dealing policy and processes a few years ago, and we really used Insidertrack to kind of build on that governance process. And I think without Insidertrack, we wouldn't really have been able to build the process to the extent that we have. So we kind of use it for more than just the inside lists, obviously. So that's obviously a huge part of it. But we have clearance required lists, so that kind of manages the share dealing restrictions for staff members that are kind of, you know, privy to strategy, group finance information. And then we have confidential project lists as well. So that's projects, lots of strategy, M&A, various other things that we have where we have people working on them in the system. Insidertrack have always been really eager to kind of know what the pain points are. It's not just we've delivered this software, you use it, yeah, we're here if you need us kind of thing. It's like what could we also be doing and adding to this or something else that can really make your lives as governance professionals easier. I think that's a huge plus. I think with the revised 2024 corporate governance code, there's a huge emphasis on non-financial internal controls. So that's something that, you know, governance professionals will be looking at, again, where there's huge potential for external software providers to kind of come in and really kind of, you know, help make that process easier and make teams comfortable that they're compliant with the code. I think when you've got so many regulations and disclosures that teams need to make sure that they're hitting and making, that's where you really have external software providers like SciTech can really kind of come in and help alleviate that burden, kind of give teams assurance that they're kind of doing everything that they can do to kind of meet those requirements and disclosures without it just being like a simple tick box exercises, basically. SciTech are always super keen to work with governance teams. You know, it's not we've delivered this software, here you are. It's okay, what can we do to do better? What's giving you jip? You know, it's that kind of that continuous improvement. It's not just here you go. It is really kind of that continuous improvement and wanting to kind of make our lives as governance professionals easier.